The signal has a shape now. What the hell? What is that? I gave 2 AI agents one simple challenge. Make a complete horror game. For that we are going to use Godot engine. This game was generated by ChatGPT. In this game I need to restore relays. I think it's missing some parts. Okay, so we need to get to the locker room. Locker room is here, okay. This is the relay. Relay A is locked in the archive east of the hub. Restore the relay. Okay. The signal has a shape now. What the hell? What is that? Oh my god, what do I need to do now? Oh no, I don't know. Where do I need to go? Relay be locked, restore C in the maintenance hub. Reach the transmitter. Oh no, no. Okay, the transmitter is down. Run back to the entry elevator. What's entry elevator? Okay, it's coming close. Entry. Is this the elevator? Oh no. But it was. Okay. And I made it. So that was it. To be fair, I thought that it would be more interesting. But it kinda completed the task, which was horror game, for 7 minutes. So this game was made by GLM. GLM went in a complete different direction. A clock shop horror game with colored keys. Oh. The talker found you? What? Okay, that was very fast. Here's the green key. Okay, it's really loud. Oh no, it's going after me, or no? The bell never tolled. So that means that I failed. So here's amber key. So I have amber key. I need the jade key, which is right there. What are these sound effects? Why they are so loud? Okay, here's the crimson key. What's here? Read note. Okay, I didn't read it, so... Oh, here's the exit. Oh, it's locked. Okay. I mean, it's not locked. I think that's... So, third one. The west door was opened. It was opened even before, so... I don't know what's the point, actually. You step through, the bell never tolled. I think that I made it even the first time. But the problem was that the door were locked, but I went through. So, it was interesting. It wasn't really scary.